Yo, welcome back. I'm your man Nar and I'm here with another amazing tutorial. If you're about to launch your business and can't wait to announce it, or want to create some awareness about your brand and product before the launch, generate some leads, then this video is for you. I will show you how to create beautiful and converting coming soon landing pages with Elementor. I will also show you how to add countdown timers to create some sense of urgency and an early registration sign-up forms to convert visitors into leads. So stay tuned and let's get started. If you create or run a website and want to improve it, then my channel and website is for you. Head over to my website, yourmannar.com, and you will find tons of informative content, tips and tricks, ready-made websites with complex functionalities for sale, and most importantly, discounts for the best tools to improve your website's performance. Enjoy this video. I hope it will be valuable for you. As always, I'm your man Nar. Alright, so let's start. Let me show you how to create a coming soon page on Elementor, best practices from a marketing perspective as well. So this is the name of the article, you can find it. In case you don't like watching videos, you can go, I will add the link in the description of this video. So you can also go and read the article if watching videos is not your thing. By the way, in the article, I'm not showing the design stuff, but I will show it in here. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I just created a new domain, a new WordPress website. I installed on it the following plugins. It's windowshopping.website. I installed Contact Form 7, Elementor, Happy Elementor add-ons, and HD Mega Absolute add-ons for Elementor Page Builder. I will add links to the plugins as well in the description of the video. So let's start. So in order for you to create a coming soon landing page, first you will have to go from your admin dashboard, you will have to go to templates. And now create a new template. We want it to be a page, and the template name we will add it coming soon LP, which stands for landing page. Create template. Now you can feel free in design however you want to. You can design it however you want to design it, but I'm gonna try and stick to beautiful design and show you some stuff. So I will come in here. I will go to my templates. You can see that it's created, but I just have the header and the sidelines and everything. I don't want that to appear. So I will come to edit, template, Elementor canvas, publish. Now, once we refresh this page, you will see that we only have the elements that we will add with the drag and drop functions of Elementor. You can see that everything is gone now. So we can start on creating. So for the coming soon page, we want to have a minimal design, we don't want things to be overcomplicated. We just want a simple text that says we're coming soon. Simple text about the product that they have to wait and see what's coming, what's popping. We can have a button to take them to the registration form, and of course social media icons. Of course we will give design afterwards. Now let's go to the section. Height, we want it to be fit to screen. Style. The background color, let me pick the color that I had already chosen. I already downloaded two products. The company or the product that I want to promote is lipsticks company, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm sorry, one section was enough, one column. So the background color, I want to have an image. I've already created two images. One is for the lipsticks and one a girl, an Asian girl that's supposed to be as a main image. I just found the image on Pixels. I will show you, I will add a link to that in the description as well. Now, center right, okay, no repeat, size cover, this should do. And now for the background color, we will add red. Because it's a lipsticks brand, it's a girlish brand, the red color is really good. So, for the title, we are coming soon. We will add a break in here so it goes to the second line. I will make it white. I will make it 54. This looks good. Now I will make this white. And of course the button get 10% discount. Now I will add an icon. Down. Okay. Of course you can design it however you want to design it. I'm just showing you how to get a beautiful design like at the least that you can get. Let me put it this way. For the style, I will make the background color transparent, and on the hover, I want the element to sync. Okay, I will remove all these so it goes to the left side of the column. I will take this to the left side, style, custom colors, primary color to transparent, and the only thing that remains is the white. Now, one more element that I want to add is the count down element. So this element, this widget, is only available in the HT Mega add-ons and the Happy Elementor add-ons, so you can pick any of them, but it's not available for free in the free version of Elementor. So this is the countdown. Now let's design this. We want to hide the days and stuff, so it's obviously like this is days, this is hours, this is minutes, and the last one, the fastest one, should be the seconds, right? Let's make this a little bit smaller. Let's make the height smaller. This should be enough. For the style, let's make the radius 0. We don't want counter separators. Let's move it to the left. And for the timer, we also don't want that timer separator, that line over there. So this should be enough. We want everything to be white. Okay, now you can see that everything is not aligned, like all these elements are aligned except this one. To align this, you just go to advanced from this right click, edit countdown. From advanced, you uncheck this link values, and from the left, you give it a negative 25 or 20, no, 25. Okay, now you can see that everything's on point. Okay, and from here, of course, you can set the launch date, whatever you want to. Let's say if you're launching 1st of November, so you just add in 1st of November, and that's it. It counts the days automatically and the seconds depending on your website store's location, and you will have it set up. Now, let's edit this part as well, because we don't want the content to go over the goal. So let's move that, and from the left side, from the right side, I'm sorry, let's give it a 40% padding. So this should be enough. This actually really looks good. Now on the link over here, I will add hashtag register. So we want the user to be taken to the section which CSS IDs is registered. So whenever the user clicks in here, we'll go to register. And for that, we will create a new section, give it 2 columns, and edit section. You can see right click, edit section. In the advanced, in the CSS ID, I will write in register. Right? Now, if we view this right now, preview changes, I will try and not remove some, if anything goes wrong, I will not try and remove it, because we don't have a section. You can see that it tried to go down, but because we didn't add any elements, it just won't go. So for here, we will add in the registration form. We did not create the registration form. We will do it in a bit. Add a bit of text. Of course, you can customize the content. I mean, it's obvious. That's why I'm not. That's why I'm not going into details over the content. We want the padding from top to be 2, from the bottom to be 2, 10, and 10. The same thing goes in here. Did we do that? No, we did not. We want the left 10 and the right 10. Okay, this way all the content will be on the same line. And in the right section, I will add the image of the lipstick because that's the product that hopefully you're gonna launch or anyone's gonna launch. So whatever your product is, you can just add an image of that. Custom, the height, you want it to be 250 pixels. This should do it. And the one tweak that I'm gonna do by right-clicking, edit image, advanced, you can see in here, because I've added the add-on, the plugin, of Happy Elementor add-ons, right? Happy Elementor add-ons. So over here, you will see in the advanced section, floating effects. So we click on that, we enable it, and we want to make the element float. So I will give it 10% to the right, 10 pixels, 10 pixels to the left, 12 pixels horizontally on the y-axis, and the same thing the opposite. You can see that the element is floating, so this gives a beautiful effect to the landing page. And in the same time, I will just change the speed to 4000, so it just doesn't go that fast. It just floats slowly and smoothly. This way it looks way nicer. Trust me, guys. I've done this before. So the color, I will add, this is not good. I will just pick the color, the red background color that I picked over here. So it was AE2326. I will get in here and pass the color of the heading. Change the text to get 10% discount now. Okay, so you can add in here your text, and in the shortcode we will add the registration form. Okay, so right now this should do it. For the background color, let's pick something beautiful. Let's go over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this looks really nice, guys. Let's make the text a little bit darker because we want it to be readable. Okay, just make sure you're consistent, right? So if this red and this red are not the same reds, you're doing something wrong. Just make sure what you do is consistent and you know what you're doing. So yeah, now if you go to the preview link, refresh it, and once we click on get 10% discount now, it takes us to the registration form itself. Okay, this now all capitals does not look so good. Like it used to work, but now it looks like really ugly or vulgar, I would say. So we're just writing lower cases, get 10% discount now. I'm sure all the girls or potential customers who want to buy your product, they will not buy for the capital letters now. It actually, in some cases, it even pushes people away because it gives the impression that you're afraid of something. You can see that the lipstick is floating, so this gives a really beautiful effect. So to create a form, you just go to your WordPress admin dashboard, you go to contact, and you add a new form. Okay. Now, in here, we don't want all this stuff. We just want a name and the email address of the visitor. You don't want anything else for your coming soon campaign unless you're giving away some huge prices. In that case, you might consider asking for more information, but like for a 10% discount, knowing their name and their email address is enough. So you can send the discount on their email. Once you're live, you can inform them and you know who you're talking to. So for the placeholder, I will add in your name, and for the email placeholder, of course, your email address. Submit, save. We forgot to add the name, so it went under untitled. Of course, we want to give it a title. We will pre-early birds campaign. Okay, save. Now you can see it gave us a shortcut. We copied this shortcut and we passed it over here in the element of shortcut. Update. Now once we refresh this, You can see that we have the shortcode. Of course, the color is bad because I haven't gone through the CSS of the form. I have an article on my website that shows you how to customize contact form 7 completely, like each element by element. Like you can customize this line and the button to have completely different designs. I have that article on my website. I will also add a link in the description of this video. Other than that, our registration coming soon form is ready with a countdown and with a pre-registration form. Now, the only thing that is remaining is for us to create a campaign that actually gives the user the discount. Okay, so right now, if anyone registers in here, so let's say if I register, the only thing that's gonna happen is I will receive an email that says, okay, someone registered, but nothing more. In here, just you make sure you have all the information to the to, from, everything in here, right? So you get the email, okay? But I will show you how to integrate Mailchimp with contact form 7, and this will actually boost your results because you will have a really respected CRM integrated to your website. So we just sign up for free. In the article over here, you can see that we have on the maintenance best practices how to create a coming soon. In here, contact form, create form submission configurations. Okay, so in this section you will find everything that you need for the integration. I will also show you right here in the video as well. So from your WordPress, install the following plugin. We want this plugin to be installed on our website. There's integration for contact form 7, add new, and in the sign up I will just add my email. It's 50 cents at windowshopping.website. This is my demo URL. I just wanted to make it look funny, so it's 50 cents. The username, window shopper. We cannot have spaces, I believe. For the password, I will have 50 cents. I'm kidding, I will not tell you what my password is. I don't want to receive, of course. Sign up. This user exists. Window 50 cent shopper. I don't want to receive. See, it always on checks. This is so cool from Mailchimp's marketing team, but hey, they're doing it again. They can do whatever they want to do because they are that good. Email account. Let me just confirm this account. So webmail.windowshopping.website. I'm doing everything on my other screen. I'm sorry for that. I'm just signing into my email just to confirm my email for Mailchimp. All right, we're one step away. Right now I'm in my inbox. I can bring in here the screen so you can see. I just created this email for the sake of the tutorial, so I have nothing to hide from you. So confirm. I'm not a robot, obviously. You can see me live right now, or you can hear me. So everything I'm doing is live, so this way you can trust the process and you can see that it's really easy. All right. So now that we're in the Mailchimp account, let's bring this one in here. We want a free, of course. That's crazy to ask us something like that. 50 cent, window shopper, window shopping, window shopping.website. We don't want no phone numbers. I might just skip this part because this is really useless for you guys. The matter of fact is, Yes, I do have, no, I don't have contacts. The matter of fact is, we still haven't activated the landing page, so I'm doing this for the sake of activating that. So we go to audience, we go, to settings over here, profile or account, extras, API keys, create a key. We want this by CRM perks. This one is actually really good. We just activate that. We come over here, we copy this. I will make this, of course, blur so you don't see my key. And now we come to the plugin over here. Once we've activated the plugin, we will see Mailchimp. We come in here, please configure your Mailchimp settings, add new account, window shopping account. This is the API key that I just took, save changes. Now we make the integration between Mailchimp and our contact form 7. Now we go to Mailchimp feeds. We create a feed, early birds, window shopping, early birds campaign. The only thing that's window shopping, this is the list that we wanted to take to. This list I just created in here, so you can see. I actually didn't create that, but it was there. So add a field. So we just want name, first name, add field, your name, and then we want the email address, which was actually over there. We add in here and we say it's the email. Okay. We want this to be automatic. We don't want no primary key. We don't want no nodes. So we take them to subscribed status. So we just save the feed. So right now the landing page is completely ready. The only thing that remains is to design this part. So as I told you, I will add a link in the description that shows you how to design this part. So you just click on get discount, you go in here, you write your name, so it's now, and it's 50 cents. Okay, let's add my other email in here, submit. Thank you for your message, it has been sent. And now once we come in here, the lead should be visible over here, this form submission. Audience, subscribed, yo@humannar.com. Guys, I promise I did not skip anything. It is this easy. Now, the only thing that's remaining, and this is actually important, it is the most important part, you can see that once we go to windowshopping.website, the coming soon page is still not live. So there's only a few steps remaining. Just bear with me. You go to Elementor, you go to tools, maintenance mode, you enable this coming soon. You can also make it maintenance. The difference is that Google doesn't index when it's on maintenance and it indexes whenever it's on coming soon. So if your content on the website, like this content is really important and you want to rank for them, you should give it a coming soon. For logged in, choose template, coming soon landing page. This is the template that we just created. So save changes. And now once we go to windowshopping.website, you can see that it is the design that we just created or it's not. What's the issue? Save changes. Window shopping website. Let's copy this in case it doesn't work again. Okay, because I'm logged in, I'm sorry guys. So if you open a new incognito window or private window on Opera, I'm sorry, it's my bad, I'm so dumb. So if we open a new window, because I'm a logged in user, I'm the admin, of course it's not going to show me the coming soon page, it's going to show me the real one that I'm designing. But you can see that once I opened a new incognito window on Opera, you can see that the landing page that we designed is here, everything is working. We can try this one more time. This time we can add in some other name, so it's suspicious meaning, and I'm gonna add just a random email because I'm gonna remove it afterwards. Oh, let's not do that, it's not good. So it's support@humannar.com. I don't want to show you guys the bad stuff that I do. I just want you guys to see my good stuff. So thank you for your message. It has been sent. Let's close this one. Let's come over here. Let's refresh this page and you can see that we will have a third subscriber in the list. So guys, it is really this easy. You can see support@humannar.com. You can see that it's this easy. Okay, you can set up a coming soon landing page and start converting your website visitors, start converting your audience, start converting your friends and family into leads, and then give them some offers, give them a 10% discount or a membership discount or something in return, so you can get an audience list, you can get a database of people who are interested in your business, and this way you can launch it and make sales from the first day potentially. So it's this easy. Here in the article I show you 3 coming soon examples that are relevant right now. So let's say the Matrix Resurrection, you can see that they have created this landing page which was viral because people were sending to each other via email, so you can pick which capsule you want, the red one or the blue one, and based on that it will show you some form of a pre-trailer. So they were teasing their trailer and it would say that okay, the trailer will be in a day or in 2 days. So yeah, this is it guys, it's really this simple. As always, I'm your man Nar, and I will be soon I will come with new videos soon, so stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you liked it, it really helps. And cheers.